Welcome back to another video. So today we're going to be going over my proven golden model. It's honestly one of the best models I have ever found in trading, especially in the ICT world. So I'm going to be showing you exactly what my entry is, why I like to take the entry, my confluences behind it, and my psychology. So let's not waste too much time. I'm going to get right into the video. I'm going to show you a little demonstration first to give you an idea of what the strategy is, and then we're getting to a live example on the charts. Starting it all off, we always want to do a top-down analysis. So you go on the daily time frame, get your bias, then you come down to the 1 hour time frame. 1 hour time frame is where you're going to be marking out your highs and your lows. For example, we took out this buy side liquidity. And of course, always look left in the market. Say we have a fair value gap in this area. Now, once I see a buy side liquidity with a fair value gap and even a SMT on the hourly time frame, the 1 hour, then this is a perfect indication that we want to reject and start pushing down. So what do? Now we go down to the 1 minute time frame. From the 1 minute, what you want to look for is a manipulation leg and a market structure shift. The second you see that market structure shift get put in place, automatically you know that we're confirming that reversal trend. And you take your standard deviation or Fibonacci tool from the start of manipulation right to the end, and right at that 0.5 could be a perfect entry. Stop loss goes right above the previous highs, and now you target for the lows. I think that's a fairly simple strategy, right? I mean, it's not hard, it's very straight to the point and just a few steps. So let me show you a live example now in the charts. Pulling ES from the side over here, what do you want to see? Well, first thing that comes to mind is SMT. Well, we have that SMT, that's very nice, let's mark it out because SMTs are very dominant in the market. Now, what's another thing we see? Well, we see that we have a sell side liquidity. On NAS, we didn't actually take that sell side liquidity. So they're showing that there is some power to kind of move up since we have that SMT and since ES already took that sell side liquidity with the SMT as well. Now, what do we want to do? Let's go to the 4 hour time frame. Let's see if we have a fair value gap. Let me just move this up over here so it's not in the way. There we go. Do we have a fair value gap? Yes, we do. So now we actually have a point that we're rejecting off. So let's mark that out. Now, you see how I'm just aligning the time frames as well. We are in a very strong uptrend over here. So trend is your friend. We're following the rules. Now, we come to the 1 minute time frame. Now we need to find our entry, which I kind of went forward a bit. Now we want to find our entry. What do? Well, we can't enter off here. There's no sense of inversion. There's no change of state. There's nothing right now. But right here, we make a new low. So now this becomes a manipulation leg, not a break of structure, a manipulation leg. Now, what are we looking for? Second, we make a full body close above this line. Right here, we make that full body close. So what are we going to do? We're going to take our entry. Take our buys, stop loss is going to go right below the previous lows, and we're going to target the new highs. Or can we target higher? Let's see. We could target higher because this is the previous highs that we ended up taking before. So now let's make this roll out and see how we go. Right here, this could be your partials, or this can be coming to break even, which is perfectly fine. Keep holding. A little bit of consolidation. Let's go to the higher time frames just to skip forward a bit. There we go. We're still going, still moving up. Give it some time. Let's go to the higher time frame. I'm very impatient today. And we ended up getting that take profit. So as you can see, it is a very beautiful strategy. It's very simple. So come to the 4 hour, we have that fair value gap. That's one reason for rejection. Come to the 1 hour, we have the SMT, we have the sell side liquidity. That's another reason for rejection. Now we come to the 1 minute. Well, on the 1 minute, what do we have? Let's go back a bit. 1 minute, we had a reason for an entry. Our reason for entry was we had a manipulation leg, which is a push for a new low. Then we have a market structure shift, and we would enter right on that market structure shift to push higher. Yes, there's also an inversion for value gap over here that can be used as an entry. Not a problem at all. And it's simple as that. So guys, that is my golden model. I gave it to you for completely free. I'm not asking for any money, but down below is my Discord, free of charge. If you want to join, it's a very nice community. We're all chilling, we're all talking, we kind of show each other our strategies, we help each other out. If you are interested, link is down below. Link to my broker as well. And I hope you have a beautiful, beautiful day.